Opportunity awaits you in a gently used home that still looks practically new. Built by Pulte, this 4 bedrooms 2 bath home offers a beautiful split floor plan, kitchen with high ceilings and roomy living areas with a great view of the backyard. All fixtures, Moen faucets and door hardware, even the hinges, features shiny chrome finish that looks wonderful. The air remains crisp and cool, featuring a 14 seer Lennox HVAC in addition to energy-efficient low-E dual pane windows. The kitchen offers all appliances, plenty of cabinets and dinette area located between a big laundry room and access to the 2-car garage. The owner's suite with backyard view features a deep walk-in closet, 5x11, and full bath with upgraded fixtures. The additional 3 bedrooms are all quite roomy, along with a second full bath with tub and shower. Outside the backyard